going on, Tech Family? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be reviewing the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. Let's check it out. So this is the 5th generation of the Amazon Echo Dot. So obviously there's 4 other generations, right? So you can get this in 2 configurations. You can get it in the configuration with the clock, which this one has, and then you can get it in the configuration without the clock, which this one doesn't have. It also comes in 2 colors. It comes in cloud blue and glacier white. Now you could get these probably anywhere that sells electronics, but I got mine from Amazon.com, and the ticket on it was 60 bucks for the clock and 50 bucks without the clock.
Oh, Lord!
Now some of you might be asking yourself, if I have an Echo Dot 4th generation, is it worth me upgrading to the Echo Dot 5th generation? So let me tell you some features of the 5th generation, and you can make that decision on your own if it's worth you upgrading, or should you just stick with your 4th generation Echo Dot. The Echo Dot 5th generation has improved audio experience for clearer voices, deeper bass and vibrant sound, new LED display that shows you the weather, song titles, and more when you ask. You can keep your home comfortable by creating routines with a new temperature sensor, and the Eero built-in adds up to 1,000 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage and support for speeds up to 100 megabytes per second to a compatible Eero network. What comes in the box with your Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation? You get the dot itself and the power cable, and that's it. Simple. Let me give you some features of the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. The size is a 3.9 by 3.5. It has a power port in the rear of the dot and a light ring at the bottom of the device. The dot with the clock has a LED display on the front of the device. There is 4 buttons on the top, a action button, a volume up and down button, and a mic button. Your Echo Dot 5th generation also has Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connection abilities, and Alexa, which is compatible with Android and iOS devices. So let's look at your Amazon Echo Dot. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the clock is right here. That's where your time is. And also, if you're playing music and stuff, then your music will be displayed on a display. So let me try something out real quick. Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like. Meek Mill on Amazon Music.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for?
You ready?
You ready? You ready?
Alexa, pause. So that's pretty cool. This being paired with Alexa leaves you to really be hands-free. Not really, you don't have to touch it. It's just sit there on your desk or in your corner or wherever you put it, and you can do whatever you want. You see the light ring flashes on there. You can set an alarm. You can do all of that other cool stuff. The 4 buttons on the top makes it easy to control. When your volume is fully maxed, you press it and you see it's at 10, and you can go down and stuff like that. You see that? And then you have your mute button right there, which mutes your sound so you can't talk to her. And then you have your button right here. So real simple and easy to control your Alexa. It's a really simple device that has a ton of capabilities. I also have my Alexa connected to my RGB lights that are around my room. You might be able to see them right here in the background of the video and stuff. So I'm gonna show you real quick how you can control your lights by just using your Alexa. Alexa, turn lights red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn lights blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn lights whatever color you want. Ooh, thunder on that one. Alexa, turn lights white.
Okay.
And that's how you use your Alexa to change your lights. So in my opinion, is the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation worth your money? I would say yeah. Tons of capabilities, tons of features, and if you go into the app, it even expands it more. There's so much that you could do with these things, so much that you can control. You can really control your whole household if you went that route with your Alexa alone. So Definitely check one out if you're interested in them. I definitely think that they're worth it. They're worth a check out at least. Should you get the Gen 5 if you get the Gen 4? In my opinion, if you already have a Gen 4, I would say yes, because I like the time display on there, and I think that that's worth, the extra $10 anyway. It's only $10. And it's the newest generation with the newest compatibilities and the newest things that it can do. So in my opinion, yes, it's worth the extra $10 that you're going to save if you end up getting a 4th generation. If you now if you don't have one at all, then it's definitely worth it, because it is what it is. And you can, if you got the 4th generation, you could just put the 4th generation in another room and put your 5th generation somewhere else, and expand Alexa, in your household. But that's all your decision. I'm just here to try to help you make that decision, a little bit easier. But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If this video helped you in any way, just enjoy my content, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking on my logo on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all social media sites, that information's in the description. And as always, Tech Family, stay blessed.